We are the last group. Today, we are here at the welding laboratory.
What is the purpose of this video?
So, we're going to share our knowledge and experience about welding.
By introducing the tools and equipment and how to use it.
So, let's go. So, we're now inside in our laboratory. We're going to show different areas inside in our laboratory. So, let's go first to the
Lecture
area. That's the place where we study and finish our written studies. And
The next
one is the practical work area.
In practical work area, we have here the cutting area, which where we cut the metals like flat bar, angle bar, and round bar. The next one, we have here the storage area. This is where we store our metals and scraps. And the next one, the grinding area. In grinding area, we have three booths here, which is
Booth 1, Booth 2, and Booth 3. Okay, let's move on to the welding area. So, this is the place where we weld or solder our iron and metals. And moving on, let's move on to the work area. So, this is where we fix our metals and removing blocks using heating hammer and cleaning using steel brush. And lastly, we're going to
the tool area.
So this is the place where we place our tools and equipment in cutting. So that's all good.
Sure. Then now we go into our classes now. Hello guys.
Hello.
So what do we have here? These are the personal protective equipment, or in short, PPE.
We are going to show you what these PPE are used for.
So first, wear your leather apron. If ever you have any available denim jacket, like this, you can also use it.
Choose where you're comfortable because the important part here is to protect your body from debris.
Yes. The next one is gloves. Always wear your gloves whenever you will.
Gloves to protect your hands from heat and avoid getting burned.
That's right. Next is welding helmet. Always wear your helmet because it will protect your eyes and head from the hazard light and smoke coming from your weld.
If you don't have this, you will feel painful and burning sensation in your eyes.
So don't forget to wear your welding helmet.
Always wear your complete PPE, guys.
Overall, these personal protective equipment are needed to protect your body from the hazards during your actual work in welding. Be safe, don't take the risk, protect yourself. Since now we're done explaining the PPE, we're now going to the tool area together with Prince and Francis, and they're explaining about the tools we have inside. Let's go.
Here, we have a steel ruler.
Next, there are grinding mask and the chipping hammer.
Pull push rule. It used to be measured, but may also be used to measure curve in irregular surfaces.
And this chipping hammer has two faces. Point them out, the taper from one side and round pointed on the other side.
Adjustable protractor. Hand saw and hacksaw. These tools are mainly using in cutting metal like clay, pipe, rods, bars, and etc.
These are the welding mask, standard pliers, long nose, grinder, and electric drill.
The screwdriver. Combination ring set used for loosening and tightening like and heavy nuts and bolts. It has open and box end.
Always remember,
Let's see. We're now done touring and tools and PPE. Hi. Just finish your areas here. How about you?
That's checking there.
Since now I'm done, how about you take your turn now?
Yeah, sure.
Bye.
What's up guys? I will give you a tour in welding area. Are you ready? Let's go! Hey Jake.
Hey bro.
How do you do? May I see your work?
Sure, look here. So this is my work in horizontal position, and I'd like to share my work for the knowledge in each and everyone to make a grid. So, and it's kind of hard at first.
So, how's that? May I see your work?
Yeah, sure. I'm happy and satisfied to make a grid in horizontal position. So, what's the process to make a grid in horizontal position? First, you need to open the welding machine and check the ampere by 90 to 110 strength. After setting up, the power after the setting up the power ampere of welding machine, you need to tap your flat position in each side. So lastly, if you're done tapping your flat bar, you need to full weld your flat bar and to make a bit like this.
Okay, let's check the next bit. Ira, tomorrow. She's giving a tour in our beloved viewers. So, how are you doing there? I'm going to make a straight beam. So, can you show us your work to us?
First thing first, we need to know what electrode are we going to use. There's so many. For me, I'm going to use E6013 electrode with an ampere of 80 to 90. Also, the pattern I use is straight. This is the basic pattern I want you to know. Then, we need to start with this. Let's start with this. Before you clearly see your weld, you need this chipping hammer to help you easily get off the slab. Come here, see. And that's how to weld the black surface.
So here we are guys in grinding area. So let's check the machine. What are you doing?
Grinding. This flat bar, I am removing this slab, rusty and slab. Here, to make it a flat and smooth surface.
I see. So what did you use?
There are two types of this, the grinding disc and the cutting disc. This is for grinding. This is used for polishing metal to removing rusty and slab. And this one is for cutting. This is used for cutting metal to facilitate or speed up the work. But I am using this one, the grinder disc.
Then how will you attach that? I mean, how to install that disc?
First, loosen the nut and remove it. Second, attach your grinder disc. Also remember that the nut should be the lock first. And then lastly, put the nut in the back and be sure to tighten it properly. Then tap the button to lock it.
I see. ECS 1, 2, 3. The correct installation of the grinding disc becomes particularly important.
Yes. And here you can use it now.
Okay.
And this for effective for remove rusty in slab.
Okay. Thanks for the information you gave to us. We will remember the steps and procedures you taught us. I guess our viewers have a lot of data to collect. Am I right?
Yes, I'll be back to my work.
Okay, sure. So let's check the second booth. Guys, we're done in the first booth, so let's check the next booth. Oh, hi, Robbie.
Oh, hi.
What are you doing?
I'm preparing to cut a metal, but I'm already wearing my PPE to protect myself from the
I
debris.
see, that's good. Wearing your PPE has significance to our safety, right?
Indeed.
So what are you going to do now?
I'm gonna cut a metal now, so...
Okay?
Oh, I forgot the material and tools that I need, so let me grab some briefing.
Are you for real?
I'm just kidding. I already have the materials because, you know, you can bring it up in it, just like the way he did to you.
Oh my, that's a bit okay. But I see, that's how you learn your mistake, huh?
Ow, that hurts. By the way, let's move on. So, here's my angle holder, then this is my cutting disc. So, let me show you how to install this on angle holder.
Okay.
So, first, you need to remove this nut, then press this button so you can remove this easily. So, because if you didn't push this button, it will just twist it all endlessly.
Okay.
So yeah. Then second, put this cutting disc on this point. So yeah. Then third, put this nut back in this. So wait. Then after you put this nut, press this again so to just twist it like this, so it won't remove just like it would be a bad idea for us.
Okay, I get it. So you're using the flat surface part when you're using the cutting
Yes.
disc.
So let me show you how to use it properly. Oh, can you get my helmet, please?
Sure. Here.
Thank you. Remember guys, you need to in this right position because this angle is need to be in this right position, because if you did it, it would be a bad idea. It will cause your injury or something like that. Even if you are in right-handed, you need to be in this right position. So let me finish this. So this is the result of my blood. So yeah, thank you.
I see, that's great. Thanks for the reminders and tips, Robbie. So we're done in grinding area.